Hey guys, are you wanna buy best RGB RAM kits dual channel? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best RGB RAM kits dual channel that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Klevv RGB RAM dual channel, the Klevv CRAS RGB DDR4 memory is a premium choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who value both performance and style. Developed by Acer, a global memory solutions company under SK Hynix, Klevv has built a strong reputation since 2014 for producing high-quality, reliable memory and SSD products. The CRAS RGB continues that legacy with stunning fully controllable RGB lighting and a gem-like design that delivers vivid, multi-angled light diffusion for an artistic touch. Built with a pure aluminum heat spreader, it ensures superior thermal conductivity and stable performance even under heavy gaming or overclocking. Rigorously tested for safety and compatibility, it works seamlessly with current Intel platforms and syncs perfectly with major motherboard RGB control software. The CRAS RGB isn't just about speed, it's about combining advanced technology, sleek design, and vibrant customization to create the ultimate high-performance memory for modern gaming setups. Now our second product is G.Skill RGB RAM dual channel. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 memory kit delivers exceptional performance for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking top-tier speed and reliability. This 32GB kit, 2x16GB, is rated at DDR5-6000 with tight CL30-38-38-96 timings at 1.35V, ensuring ultra-fast data transfer and responsiveness for demanding workloads and next-gen gaming. Designed specifically for AMD platforms including X870, X670, B850, and B650, it supports AMD EXPO profiles for effortless memory overclocking and optimized stability. The iconic Trident Z5 Neo heat spreader combines sleek aesthetics with brilliant RGB lighting, perfectly complementing any high-end build. Each kit is factory matched for maximum compatibility and performance. Mixing kits is not recommended. Backed by G.Skill's strict quality control and engineering expertise, this DDR5 memory ensures both speed and reliability under heavy loads. For builders who demand cutting-edge performance, advanced design, and seamless AMD integration, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB stands out as a true premium choice. Our third product is Acer RGB RAM dual channel. The Acer Predator GM7000 PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD is a powerhouse built for gamers and professionals who demand top-tier speed and reliability. With blazing fast sequential read speeds up to 7,400 MB per second and write speeds up to 6,700 MB per second, it delivers lightning performance for gaming, video editing, and data-heavy workloads. Its customized heat spreader ensures efficient heat dissipation, maintaining peak performance even under intense use. Engineered with an advanced controller and integrated power management unit (PMU), the GM7000 optimizes energy efficiency, keeping your system cooler and more stable over time. The drive includes a CRAS True Image software, allowing effortless data cloning and backup. Built with 3D NAND TLC and DRAM cache, this SSD provides superior endurance and consistency, backed by a 5-year warranty and up to 1300 TBW of durability. For those seeking next-level speed, cooling, and reliability, the Predator GM7000 is a premium upgrade for any high-performance gaming rig. Now number 4, Lexar RGB RAM dual channel. The Lexar Aries Gen 2 RGB DDR5 RAM takes gaming performance and style to the next level, combining speed, stability, and stunning aesthetics. Designed for next-gen systems, it delivers blazing speeds up to 6,000 metric tons per second CL30, ensuring ultra-responsive gameplay and seamless multitasking. With support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, overclocking becomes effortless and reliable. The Lexar RGB Sync lighting adds vibrant, customizable effects that make any gaming setup stand out. Engineered with on-die ECC for enhanced stability and a built-in PMIC for smarter power management, it offers both power efficiency and consistent high performance. The premium 1.88mm aluminum heat spreader keeps temperatures low even during intense gaming or heavy workloads, ensuring long-lasting durability. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty, the Lexar Aries Gen 2 RGB DDR5 is an excellent choice for gamers and creators seeking high-speed memory that looks as good as it performs. And our last choice is Corsair RGB RAM dual channel. The Corsair DDR4 RGB memory combines top-tier performance with stunning aesthetics, perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Each module features 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable RGB LEDs, creating vivid, customizable lighting effects that bring your system to life. With Corsair ICUE software, you can fully control and sync lighting across all compatible devices, memory, fans, coolers, and peripherals for a seamless, unified setup. This DDR4 memory is engineered for Intel and AMD motherboards, ensuring wide compatibility and stable performance. Its custom performance PCB guarantees optimal signal quality, while carefully screened ICs offer impressive overclocking potential for demanding users. Installation is simple and wire-free, keeping your build clean and professional. Combining reliability, performance, and style, the Corsair RGB DDR4 is a perfect choice for gamers and creators looking to enhance both the visual appeal and power of their PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.